Hello everyone, and welcome to a different kind of video. Today I'm gonna be showcasing how to make custom food, such as these that I have in my dimension. This one's actually coming soon, but stay tuned for that. So it's not just custom food, it's just consumables in general. So potions will work as well, and it's actually really simple. I'll show two methods today. One that only requires like a single command, and the other one that is about 6, I think. But the first method requires a data pack, so if you don't like data packs and just want to do command blocks, the second method is just as good. So the general idea for this is to make food that doesn't replace other types of food. So I have this apple and a soup, and you can see that the apple's still here and the soup is still here. And if I eat this apple, I get regeneration, and if I eat this soup, I'll get these effects. And if I eat these, I won't get anything. So, of course, this is using custom model data to change the model of them. That's optional, of course, but I like it, so I'm gonna use it. Although for that, of course, you need a research pack. So let's jump right into how to do this. So for the next method, you won't actually need a data pack, but I'm going to show it inside of this Visual Studio code folder, because it's just going to be easier to showcase. But it does work with command blocks if you don't like data packs. So firstly, you will need to add a scoreboard objective of Minecraft used Minecraft and then the base item of your food. In my case, cooked beef. So what we will do to detect the person holding and eating the food is we will give them a tag and then check if they're still holding it and then remove the tag. So what we'll do is tag at everyone who has the NBT of selected item. So the people holding it, tag, and then food, and then I'm gonna do 2B here because it's the second one. And then add, and let's see, hold food. And then we're gonna do execute as everyone with the tag of hold food. If their score, eat food, matches at least 1, then it's gonna run function, and then your food function thingy. And then it's gonna execute as everyone with the tag of hold food. If they're not holding, if their NBT tag isn't selected item, you can just copy this. Unless their tag is this, it will run tag at S, or the entity executing the command, remove hold food. So what will happen when you eat your food is your score will go up 1, and then it's gonna tag everyone with the selected item of food, and then it's gonna add a tag of hold food to them. And it's also going to run at everyone who has the hold food tag if their score matches at least 1, and it's gonna run the function. And then it's gonna execute as everyone who has the hold food tag, but they're not holding the food. And then it's gonna remove the tag. So this way, people can't like eat the food, the steak. They can't eat the cooked beef and then quickly switch to the food too, since it will only tag everyone with the selected item as food. This method is also really simple if you just don't want to do data packs, and it will do just fine. But you may be asking, why do I have a function here? Well, it doesn't actually matter. You can just do effect give add as jump boost, I guess, and then you can just copy this line and just do like this, and speed and saturation and all that good stuff, and it will work just fine. And like that, yeah. So this is the amount of commands required if you want to do it just with command blocks and not a data pack. Actually, I forgot that if you're doing this method, the second method, you need to reset the scoreboard from the player, otherwise it will run every single tick. It will give you all of these commands, and you need to just do scoreboard players reset at A with the scores eat food at least 1, and then it will reset eat food. So let's try this. Give it as cooked beef food 2B. I did that now. And let's eat this, and it does indeed work. You can see I got the effects and everything. And both of these methods work with potions as well, and any other consumable item that's in the game. You just have to add the appropriate scoreboard or the appropriate advancement. So this would be use Minecraft potion. So yeah, that was about it for this video. So both of these methods are pretty simple and pretty straightforward, but just one you need a data pack for, but I find it even easier to do it with the data pack. But if you somehow just don't like data packs at all and just hate them, this video will still be helpful for you. So I hope you find this useful and add some cool stuff into your games. So yeah, see ya.